Today is National Daughter's Day, and if you've been considering skincare for your preteen or teen, we have special pricing on all of our Noon kits right now. Right here I have our acne kit, so let's take a look at what's inside of it. Sea Cleanser Foam is a non-irritating cleanser that is great for acne patients. Then we have our Therapeutic Hydrogel that is 10% lactic acid with 2% salicylic acid that is great for acne. Then we have our Igloo Moist that is an all-purpose moisturizer but will not cause more acne. We have our BenzoAzelin that is a benzoyl peroxide product and great for acne. Then we have our AcNe Solution that is benzoyl peroxide free but helps with the inflammation in the skin. Then we have our AcNo Complex. This little ampoule is great at helping control oil in the skin. The Noon Acne Kit may be good for rosacea patients but is always great for acne patients.